आहिस्ता चल जिंदगी, अभी कई कर्ज चुकाना बाकी है, कुछ दर्द मिटाना बाकी है, कुछ फर्ज निभाना बाकी है। रफ्तार में तेरे चलने से कुछ रूठ गए, कुछ छूट गए, रूठों को मनाना बाकी है, रोतों को हंसाना बाकी है। कुछ रिश्ते बनकर टूट गए, कुछ जुड़ते जुड़ते छूट गए, उन रूठे टूटे रिश्ते को जख्मों को मिटाना बाकी है। कुछ हसरतें अभी अधूरी हैं, कुछ काम अभी ज़रूरी है, जीवन के उलझन की इस पहेली को पूरा सुलझाना बाकी है। जब सांसों को थम जाना है, फिर क्या खोना क्या पाना है, पर मन के ज़िद्दी बच्चे को यह बात भी तो बताना है। आहिस्ता चल जिंदगी, अभी कई कर्ज चुकाना बाकी है, कुछ दर्द मिटाना बाकी है, कुछ फर्ज निभाना बाकी है।
Sociakal and side by side Assalamu alaikum to all of you. The girl who is standing in front of your beautiful eyes again in this video, her name is Sejal Jaiswal. I am from Future Group, a complete English language center.
Cricket is the world's most second popular spectator sport after Association Football. In this video, we will look at a full history of cricket from the year 1300 to 2023, looking at all the important events that have occurred throughout these years. Initially, the origin of cricket dates back to Thursday, 10 March 1300, and where King Edward well played at the Craig at the Westminster and Newton. It has been suggested that Craig was an Old English word for the cricket. Now, the history of cricket. 10 March 1300, King Edward well played Craig and another games. Craig is the Greek word cricket. Monday, 17 January 1597. Cricket was probably created during the Saxon and the Norman times by children living in the world. 1611, the first reference of the cricket being played as an adult sport. 1648, after the Civil War ended. In 1648, the new Prussian government clamped down on unlawful assemblies. 1666, cricket certainly thrived after the Restoration in the 1660, and it's believed to have the first attracted gamblers.
Play the cricket. First, gather 2 teams of 11 players. You also need a ball, a cricket's bat, 2 wickets. Wickets are made up of 3 sticks drawn into the ground called stumps. One of the smallest stick placed on the top of the 3 stumps called balls. The goal of the game is a score or runs any other teams. The toss is going to decide which team bat and field first. Each cricket match consists of periods known as innings, and the number of innings that each team has will be determined before the match. Score a run, the batsman has to hit the ball with his bat and run to the opposite end of the pitch, while his teammate, also batsman, runs from the opposite end in elsewhere. In an inning, one team bats the ball while the other attempts to field. Both teams take turn alternating between batting and fielding. Bowler shall be allowed to change end as often as described, provided he doesn't bowl 2 overs consecutively, nor bowl part of each of the 2 consecutive overs in the same innings.
Namaste, good evening, and side by side, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. The girl who's standing in front of your beautiful eyes, her name is Sejal Jaiswal. I am from Future Group, a complete English language center where dreams comes true. We have done so many tasks. In this task, we have to just record some of the sports games. I am present here in Sukhdev Pahalwan Sports Stadium, Azamgarh. In this stadium, you can see these guys are practicing. Okay, some guys are practicing there. Some of them are resting also, and you can see behind this side. Okay, on my right, some of are just playing the match. I can't stop them that their match is going on. Then I talked to the coach, and he permitted me to come here. Let's see. Well, we will talk to them that how they are playing. Okay, for what's their wishes in the cricket. We will know over that also. Well, I am here, the coach of this team, okay, and we will know from him that why he is forcing the students, okay, how he motivated the students, what's their practice routine, and all the things we will know. So first of all, let's know what's his name. Sir, may I know your name? Okay. How many times you have sent your students, okay, in सर मतलब कि आपने क्या किया है, आप कुछ बता सकते हैं?
मैं NIS क्वालिफाइड कोच हूँ और खेल विभाग उत्तर प्रदेश के चयन करते हुए मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ।
आप स्टूडेंट्स को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आप कैसे प्रैक्टिस वगैरह क्या क्या करवाते हैं?
प्रैक्टिस में मॉर्निंग का सेशन होता है और इवनिंग का होता है। तो मॉर्निंग में फिजिकल फिटनेस होती है और शाम उस पर वर्क करते हैं, उसके बाद शाम को गेम प्रैक्टिस।
तो क्या स्टूडेंट्स को हमें आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, मतलब कि स्पोर्ट्स के तरफ ज़्यादातर लोग कहते हैं कि ये हमें खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं देगा, क्या आपका मानना है ये ऐसा है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, खेल से जो मिल सकता है वो पढ़ाई से नहीं मिल सकता। अगर अपनी सही जगह पे हम पहुंच गए खेल के तो पढ़ाई नहीं दे सकता जो मुझे खेल, नाम, शोहरत, पैसा वो दे सकता है क्रिकेट या अदर गेम कोई भी।
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so there is some of the players of the Indian cricket team. They are all already they are practicing for themselves. Okay, to go in the Olympic. They are already practiced more about that. What's the? Let's know that why they are playing cricket. Okay, when they come in morning. Okay, what's their practice rule and what their hobbies is to do. Let's know. May I know your name? Okay. I want to just come closer. 16 states you have played. Okay.
And I have been coming here from 6 to 7 years, and my morning ritual is only to do fitness first.
Fitness first means practice
fitness
is law.
the most important thing for all the players who are growing as a young cricketer.
Okay.
And my morning ritual is to bowling.
You're
ball
bowling.
first and then we bat.
Okay, then you bat.
Then
Means
we stress down and we go back to home and get our.
means do you guys study also?
Yes.
What's your qualification?
I'm right now in 12th and I have taken bio stream.
Bio stream from your. Okay.
And I'm also preparing for NEET.
Oh. For the NEET also, you guys can see that he has been played in 16 state levels and still he is practicing for the NEET also. He is from the bio stream and we all know. Let's call the others. Okay, hello Chotu, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, why you are playing the cricket?
Because I want to be a cricketer and I love to play cricket.
You love to play cricket. When you come in the morning?
I don't usually come here. I go to at another academy, but today is our match, so.
Okay, so these are all. Can you tell me that why you are playing cricket?
Yeah, I can tell you that I want to that give something to our country, that our in India that players are not only for that and they can give anything to the country for their country.
Very nice, thank you so much.
14-day loop break. That's a world record. Welcome back.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को सर्रा है तू, लोहे का सर्रा है तू।